shocking remark that Jharkhand Congress in charge has promised subsidy for infiltrators. He says if the JMM Congress alliance wins, they will give cylinders for 450 rupees to all, including infiltrators. Listen in.
और हमने वादा दिया जनता को कि जैसे सरकार बनेगी 1 दिसंबर से गैस सिलेंडर का कीमत सिर्फ 450 रुपए। ये आम जनता, ना उसमें हिंदू देखा जाएगा, ना मुसलमान देखा जाएगा, ना घुसपैठिया देखा जाएगा, तो ना कोई और चीज देखा जाएगा। जो भी झारखंड वासी है वो किसी भी सोच से हो, किसी भी तबके से हो, उसको 450 रुपए में गैस सिलेंडर दिया जाएगा। ये हमारा प्रोग्राम।
Tetri is joining us live. Tetri, first phase of elections have been completed in Jharkhand. Ahead of the second phase, we are listening to how infiltrators are dominating the debate around infiltrators, how this is dominating the discourse. Now, a Congress leader says that if we come to power, we will give subsidy to all. Na Hindu dekhenge, na Musalman dekhenge, na Ghuspaitiya dekhenge. How is the BJP responding to what the Congress leader said?
Well, BJP has been very much critical since day one as far as the infiltrators are concerned, and in fact, since day one, BJP has been accusing JMM and the Congress party for sheltering the infiltrators, and now in fact they have said that what they have been saying since day one, the statement of the Congress leader Ghulam Ahmad Mir have just in fact proved the fact what BJP was saying, and in fact the statement completely completely endorses to what BJP was saying earlier, and in fact the Congress leader further says that they will not even see he is a Hindu or a Muslim or an infiltrator. They will give the cylinder at a cost of rupees 150. And when we ask the Congress leader so as to why are they giving such kind of statements, so then they say that they do not want to discriminate in between anyone, and it is the BJP who needs to define, especially the center government, that what does the meaning of infiltrator is for them. And in fact they also question that how can infiltrator come in the state of Jharkhand. This was the question that was raised by the Congress leader himself, and in fact not only Congress but the JMM leaders are also shielding the statements that are being given by the Congress netas. However, BJP will be attacking on forefront for the statements that's been given, because
from the Prime Minister Tetri, from Prime Minister Narendra Modi to Home Minister Amit Shah to Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath to Himanta Biswa Sarma, top leaders of the BJP, when it comes to their campaign in Jharkhand, they've made one thing clear. The BJP has said that they will identify each and every infiltrator and will ensure that infiltrators are thrown out. And the Congress, on the contrary, now there is a top leader of the Congress party who says, we will give subsidy even to infiltrators. How is this panning out in battleground Jharkhand? Listening to the reaction coming in from the BJP.
नेता ने कांग्रेस की पोल झारखंड में खोल दी है। गुलाम मीर जो कांग्रेस के इंचार्ज है झारखंड में, कहते हैं कि हम सबको सिलेंडर बांटेंगे, यहां तक कि घुसपैठियों को भी सिलेंडर बांटेंगे। मतलब कांग्रेस स्वागत और स्वीकार कर रही है कि हाँ, हम तो ट्राइबल्स का अधिकार छीनकर, आदिवासियों का रोटी बेटी माटी जमीन संस्कृति छीनकर वोट बैंक को दे देंगे। मतलब कि घुसपैठियों को आप सिलेंडर बांटेंगे, घुसपैठियों को राशन कार्ड बनाएंगे, घुसपैठियों का आधार बनाएंगे, घुसपैठियों को वोटर बनाएंगे, घुसपैठियों को ट्राइबल की जमीन देंगे। यही तो है डेमोग्राफिक और लैंड जिहाद। और इस पर झारखंड की हाईकोर्ट ने ही बोला था, हम एक एक घुसपैठी को उल्टा करके सीधा करेंगे और झारखंड के बाहर निकालेंगे। और ये लोग घुसपैठियों को बसाकर उनका दामाद बनाना चाहते हैं। जेएमएम का मतलब बन चुका है जे फॉर झोल, एम फॉर माफिया और एम फॉर मुस्लिम तुष्टिकरण में घुसपैठियों को गैस सिलेंडर देना। ये आदिवासी का गैस सिलेंडर, ओबीसी का गैस सिलेंडर, एससी एसटी का गैस सिलेंडर ट्राइबल को नहीं देंगे, ये घुसपैठियों को देंगे।